everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. You will need yarn of your choice, stitch marker, soft polyester filling, a 3.5mm crochet hook and a row counter if you require. I will explain that later on. We will begin by making a magic ring, and magic ring is made as if you are going to make a slip knot, but you do not pull the yarn tight or all the way through. Instead, you insert your hook into the big loop, chain 1 to secure it, and put 6 single crochet into the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now just pull the tail and close up the gap, close the magic ring. We will mark the end of each round by using a stitch marker. If you do not have a stitch marker like this one, you can use just a different color yarn to mark the end of the round. From the next row onward, we are going to increase. And increase is when you put 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So in this very first stitch, we are going to put 2 single crochet. 1, another single crochet. Now that is an increase. We will continue to increase all around in this row. In the first round we have put 6 single crochet, so in this round we will have 12 single crochet. Another, so this is an increase. And I like to take the tail along as I crochet because I don't have to hide the tail later on, and this is much smoother. So continue to put 2 single crochet in every stitch in this row. Place the stitch marker into the last stitch of the round. Row 3. 1 single crochet and increase in the next. So 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, all throughout the round in this row. You will find that in the end of every round, you end up with an increase in the last stitch that you had marked. 1 and 2. Mark the last stitch and continue to crochet into the next round. In the next row, we will put 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then increase. 2 single crochet, increase in this stitch, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2 and increase. So you will put 2 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase in every round. You will put increase in the last stitch. Mark the end of the round and continue to crochet into the next round. From here on, the pattern for the increase is similar and it will be easy to understand. Row 5, 3 single crochet and increase all around. Row 6, 4 single crochet and increase all around. Row 7, 5 single crochet and increase all around. Row 8, 6 single crochet, increase all around. 7 single crochet and then increase. 8 single crochet and then increase, and so on until you achieve the size of the project. So this is what it looks like after I have completed my 19 rows. Here you will find that there is a spiral kind of structure forming. This will not be visible when your project is smaller, but as it grows bigger, you will be able to see this distinctively, and you can use this to your advantage. Counting the rows and stitches over and over again is such a headache. So between this increase to this increase, you do not have to count the number and you can simply decide where to put the increase. Using the spiral as a guide, this will be where the next increase will be in row 20. So let's see and check if it is right. We will have done 18 single crochet and increase it right here. So let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yeah, so we will put the increase in the 19th stitch without having to count. You can use the spiral as a guide to find out where your next increase will be, and this will help you do the work much easier. Row counter is another very important tool in crochet and knitting, especially if your pattern is a bit intricate and needs a lot of counting. So you can use this to count and keep track of your rows without losing it and counting all over again from the start. You can count the rows without using the row counter also, here from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We will make 2 of these using the same number of rows and same number of crochet hook. Leave a very long tail in one of the pieces to sew up later on. The wrong side of both the pieces will face inward, and we will arrange it in such a way that the increase on both the sides will overlap with one another. After arranging the pieces properly, we will sew it up by stitching it through the front loop of both the sides, only through the front loop. Cross-check it to see if all the alignments are perfectly placed. Then continue to sew it all around, leaving only a little space for the polyester filling. After filling our pillow with enough soft fillings, we will close up the remaining gap by whip stitching it all across and hiding the remaining tails. So this is pretty much how our pillow is made. You can make it as big as you want. Mine is made with 32 rows. Go on and decorate your pillow by embroidering some cute faces and expression, and that is it. So simple and easy. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear what you think of this in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.